Clubhouse is amazing. You can make great bonds and build relationships so much more effectively than on any other social media platform. But there are opportunities to make Clubhouse even better. Better notifications for key rooms, recording key insights for you, and reducing the wait time for your contributions. So how does our club manage these improvements? Firstly, go to giantleap.club and become a full member by entering your contact details here, so that we can email you with key room information and timings. Then click this link for your room details. You'll then come through to this page where you can find your live and future rooms. So find the room that you're particularly interested in, go to the mind map link and click on that. So what we're doing is massively improving our potential through having audio on our phones on Clubhouse as usual, and adding a mind map on computer so that you can see the conversation and write notes and communicate with the speakers every second. And as a member, all the notes and the insights and the links that the whole community has provided are all captured for you to come back to at any time. So when you first click on the link through to the mind map, you're going to land into a page something like this. And for your very first session with us, you'll get a message here for sign up, it's free. So if you want to contribute and add and vote and things, then you'll need to click on that. It's completely free, so just enter the basic details like every normal app and sign up. When you do that, you'll land back in the mind map and you'll be able to contribute. Don't forget to check your emails and confirm your email so that you can receive future email alerts for future rooms that you'll be interested in. So then you'll land back into this page and you'll be able to contribute. So wherever you see an eye, that's where we want you to contribute. So click on the node and then your up will pop this menu, click on comments and then enter your comment in here. So this could be any helpful advice, any links, book references, that sort of thing. Please make sure that you add your name the same as it is in Clubhouse so that other members can come and see your contribution and then follow you in Clubhouse. If your contribution's amazing, then we encourage people to actually make a financial contribution in Clubhouse to you as well. Then you can exit out of that box, follow the conversation, wait till there's something else to add, and then make your contribution. Periodically we might ask for votes, so just follow the conversation, and where we ask for a vote, you just click on a node and give it a thumbs up, and then you voted, and then the conversation can flow from there. Top tip, please use Chrome or Firefox as your browser on your laptop or your desktop. There are people from every continent that want to go deeper than the surface conversations and want to contribute and make a real difference. If you're one of those people, sign up to our club and let's go on this exciting journey together.